Always shocked to see Musamseleko saying this in Goma, Kumalo, and Mangwabe, guys. So let's get started today. Know the rest of the house is Samari Pizangosele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Friday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. For those who have been following Musamseleko on his social media page, Instagram, we know him, guys. My caption, guys. Even Mangwabe complain on Utana Natembo season 9 to say indoda enjani ethanda Instagram, guys. The things that Musamseleko is saying about his wives on Instagram, now you'll be shocked. So today, for the first time, people were happy to see Musamseleko posting Utobile and Mangwabe with the caption, "My two beautiful wives," with the MEC of Social Development in KwaZulu-Natal province. A simple caption, a beautiful caption, and people were so happy, guys. It looks like we might get Uthando Nesithembu season 10 because everything ihamba kahle. Istimela sasemzumbe, they are okay. Istimela sasesiphathi, they are fine, guys. Maybe Musamseleko was told ukuthi when you are always embarrassing us on social media, it's very hard for us to even accept Usamke. You need to behave for us ukuthi simthathe serious no Samke, guys. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.